My name is XBR, and before we start, so I wanna say some stuff. Before I start about talking about like how part two of how it'd be a good update to have the freaking update of fishing, and I made some concept art. It's a boat drives like quad but slow, holds rods. Discord says special events, dock, fishing rod 500, wings that can be found by fishing, and like boom, harpoon fish, 3,000 knots and mutation. Lava zombie rainbow gulls, and then they probably have like frozen and some other stuff. Really it. I'm not gonna be playing I'm just gonna be talking about why I think it'd be a good idea while I play Gorilla Tag. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Skate Park Island. Skate Park. Skate Park Island. What practice? Oh my god. Practice. Anyways, I think it'd be a good idea because, like I said in some other videos, like after playing, I usually play a bunch of sweaty games. And I cannot do that. And I think like I'm an absolute sweat in arena mode. So like after sweating in arena mode, it feels kind of nice being able to go. It would feel really nice just being able to go fishing. Like because like imagine like just like sweating all over your face, everything and stuff like that. But then being able to cool off with some fishing. Sure, to like make it not too overpowered. You'd have to like nerf it like 100 fishes until a 50-minute cooldown. Until like a 10-minute cooldown, which you could probably like you could sell the fish, and like you could sell the fish, for money. You could like sell the fish for money. Like, how fun would that be? Like, wouldn't you just love to get off of a sweaty day? A sweaty day of just playing and being able to go fishing. Like, just think about that. Just getting in a boat and going fishing, finding like tunas and stuff, but then pulling something that's worth like 50K. Like, pulling a legendary. Legendary. Then pulling a legendary. A freaking legendary. Then pulling a freaking legendary dairy fish and then selling it. Also, I think that like when you pull fishes, it like says like they're ready. Like you get like a shark could be ultra rare, and you get ultra rare. Good job, ultra rare. Ultra rare, good job. And so then like 50K. Then like then just selling it for 50K. Like, okay, I'll put it like in a perspective. Like, imagine just catching tunas. You're getting really angry. Imagine being broke. Like $1,000. Like $10,000. $10,000. You ask your friend for a fishing rod. So he buys one for you. So then you guys start fishing. Then you guys start fishing. Then you guys are just fun. Salmon and tuna would sell for like, I don't know, like $50. 50. And then one of you guys pull a freaking shark. Like, it's gonna be like a hard pull though. Like the rarer it is, the harder the pull is. Like, the harder you're gonna have to pull, the harder it's gonna be to reel it in. And stuff. So yeah. Like having no money. Like, that'd be like, and then it would also make a like amazing room for so many ideas for content creators. Like, I made $1 million off of just fishing challenge. And then like 10. So yeah, and then in the last video I made I said some few items that would be good to add with it if you do make it. I mean, yeah, sure, the meteor strike update would be cool if it flooded the dam and made it so that you could go fishing. Like, if the meteorite event happens, I'm not gonna like it. But if it's gonna happen, people are gonna like it. So I would like it if they added fishing. If they as well added fishing. If they added fishing as well. Yeah, like, feel like imagine just being a new player. You start with 500. You spend all that 500, so you go up to the dock, then waste all your money on a fishing rod. But then you start pulling really good stuff. Like you pull a freaking shark and then you sell it for, then you get 25K. 25K, and then you can buy better stuff. You can buy the harpoon gun, which immediately just grabs it. It has more chance to get. It has a more chance to get commons, but it immediately grabs it. So, if you use the harpoon, you would have a more chance to get commons, but it would immediately pull. You wouldn't have to do anything to work, and then you could buy like different ways of it in like the tech tree to get more pay, like where the fishing rods would be, if it happens. So, yeah. Like having some stuff, like just for fishing only, would be pretty cool. Like, imagine if you get a freaking, like, you could get like a freaking rock. You could get like a rock. Just a rock. Like, you could get a freaking rock that does like 2 damage. Or you can get a pair of wings. Or you could get like an elytra type thing that you could use handheld jetpack. Like when you fish it up, there's like 3 with it. And hey, let's just say people are gonna give you jetpacks. It's not like asking for suitcases. Like anybody would give you a jetpack. Doesn't even matter who it is. It could be the most toxic guy just spamming bad words. They'll give you a freaking jetpack. They'll just say, "Oh, you're so broke that you need me buying a shotgun. Here you go, brokey." Then just give it to you. And they just give it to you. Like, wouldn't that be so cool? Like, that'd be so cool. Okay. So, honestly, if anybody else thinks this will happen, flood the Discord. Flood the Animal Company Discord with fishing update. Like, just all you want to say is fishing update. Like, just like only thing you ever say in the Discord is fishing update. Like, we need this fishing update. So please, if you agree, feel free. Also, please add day and night. Like, just saying. Please add day and night to the game. Like, it could be as simple as just tracking the time of day that it is for the local server, or how long the server life is. Or how long like the server life is. Like people that have different reasons. Like do something. Do something like this map. And also add swimming. Add swimming. But like if you're in the water for 30 seconds or more, you die. And also put sharks in the water so sharks can attack you. But like you'll be able to see what's in the water for fishing. If you go in the water for fishing. It's a risk that's willing to take. But like you can't fish up the shark. They just spawn when you're in the water. No one can fish it up. They only spawn for you. Spawn for you. So maybe it won't even be a freaking fishing update. It may just be a whole entire ocean update. It might as well just be one entire freaking ocean update. I don't know. Both would be cool. Ocean update would probably be cooler. But I'm looking. But I'd really appreciate in like a dam update, like a fishing update. Like, if you agree with me, so this video gets to more people, because the YouTube algorithm, because like if it gives you the more viewed stuff, and it makes it really hard for like small creators to get more views. Like, cause like if I search up if I search up Animal Company on YouTube, it's probably gonna give me big creator like Neuter or Scooby or Apollo or someone like that. It's not gonna give me XVR. Like, sure it will if I search up XVR, but it won't naturally. But it won't naturally. So I'm pretty sure you're supposed to do this fine. While you're in a hoverboard. But hey, I'm good. I can do it without. But I'm good. I can do it without one. Pretty sure it would have to be custom for that to work. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. And if you want to get this message to more people, some more people spam in the Discord. Ocean update would be cool. Like, and if you're feeling generous, subscribe. I'm not forcing you to. I'd like it though. And if you're on Discord, feel free to join the Discord. Of course you don't have to, but if you want to, it'll be fun. That will support my channel a lot. So thanks for watching.